Wait, you asked me so many questions. Now I'll ask you
Okay.
about
Okay, fine.
Jagannath Puri.
Okay, come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, if you know Jagannath Ji, so Jagannath Ji is an incarnation of who?
Krishna,
And Krishna Ji is incarnation of who?
Vishnu.
Right. So Jagannath Ji is the incarnation of Vishnu and जैसे अवतार है अभी विष्णु जी का अवतार है मत्स्य जी कूर्म वराहा नरसिंह देन समथिंग यू नीड टू टेल मी दैट या वन हाँ वामन अवतार एंड व्हेन डज जगन्नाथ जी का when
So which number?
yeah which
Okay.
number how many years am I old
Do you know?
how many years am I old
You are 8 years old. I don't know.
eighth avatar
He's the 8th avatar.
yes so first
Okay, I learned something new from my guest guide.
yes
You actually are my teacher today.
thank you so first is Matsya, second is Kurma, then Varaha, then Narsimha, then Vaman, then Parshuram, then Ramji, then Krishna ji. And
didn't know
in
that.
Kali Yuga,
No, before that Buddha. Ninth is Buddha.
ninth is Buddha.
Oh,
yes.
Gautam Buddha.
Yes.
Yeah, and the 10th will come in Kali Yuga. And this is Kali Yuga only, so Kalki will come.
Oh, when?
Nobody knows.
There are some people I know, older generation, who had told me this. And someone had said that it was written in some version of the Gita that it would come back with a dark horse
Yes.
in 2025, but that went. Now we are waiting.
Yes.
Okay?
So that
Now I...
everybody knows.
Yeah.
And actually it's coming.
Yeah.
It will come for Ashwatthama.
Oh.
At
I'm so
को
impressed.
श्राप मिला था ना कि वो कभी मर नहीं सकता.
Acha.
Kalki will
So
come.
Ashwatthama will release Kalki.
Oh. My God. I used to take a lot of pride in my, knowledge of these things. But I'm very happy that I'm learning from you, Barkat. Now, back to question.
Yes.
Want to ask more questions?
Yeah, I want to actually.
Later.
After few questions.
One question.
Okay.
Like, two questions actually. So, Krishna ji's heart, what do we call it?
Hriday?
Yeah, Hriday, but one more?
Adha.
No. Yes. But in what form?
Yeah.
It's kept inside the Murti of Jagannath Ji. Like Jagannath Ji's Murti is basically based on Krishna's heart.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
It's Krishna ji.
It was made to keep his heart.
Love.
When Ramji killed बाली जी, right? और उन्होंने जानबूझ के वो किया था जस्ट हनुमान जी के लिए. फिर बाली जी ने कृष्ण जी को किया था, पता है? बाली जी ने वो उससे किया था बाण से. फिर उसके बाद कृष्ण पांडवों ने सब पांडवों ने कृष्ण जी को जला दिया और उनका हाथ बच गया. तो हार्ट को ना वुडन पे रख के मतलब बहा दिया उसको नदी में. और वो इतना एनर्जी था उसमें, इसलिए उसको वुडन पे रखना पड़ा. क्योंकि जैसे सारी मूर्तियां मेटल से बनती है ना, पर जगन्नाथ जी के टेम्पल में अभी जब गए किससे बनी थी? वुड से ना. दैट इज वाई, क्योंकि उनका हार्ट इतना एनर्जी से बना है ना. दैट इज वाई, क्योंकि मेटल तो एक सेकंड में वो पिघाल देगी.
हाँ.
दैट इज
तो वुड पे मैं आपको एक